You just found the 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Start planning those road trips in this well-equipped Town & Country. Designed to please passengers and drivers alike, this impressive minivan prioritizes comfort, safety, spaciousness, and performance. Feel calm, cool, and collected in this comfortable Town & Country. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.